Assuming you're searching for Cardano cost expectations, conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Cardano will go from here on out, we will investigate the previous costs of Cardano and will figure out what specialists in a real sense are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, really remember that you want to take this expectation and each really other forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners in a significant way. Not to generally make reference to foreseeing something so amazing as totally unimaginable. However, we will attempt our scarcely awesome. We should truly begin. Cardano past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is 32 cents and ADA is presently positioned number 7 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Cardano is 34,707,367,306 with a market cap of $11,193,818,829, which is genuinely critical. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.36% in its extremely current worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. For most recent 7 days, the ADA was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.37% in an unpretentious manner. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential recently, and this could be decent in open door to dive right in and put resources into an extremely enormous way most certainly. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA certainly diminished by 18.494%, taking out an incredible normal amount of 7 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a decent purchase, a potential open door for speedy speculation. Genuinely, as opposed to mainstream thinking, the 90 days cost change sort of is around 4.66% and the cost in every way that really matters. Coursed from a base typical cost of 31 cents to most extreme normal cost of 32 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Cardano really has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Cardano is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost. The coin is up by 3.32%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around 37 cents and the base typical cost of especially was around 34 cents in beyond 4 months. We foresee future Cardano cost expectations. A DA figure by applying pretty profound man-made brainpower helps specialized investigation on the past value information of Cardano. We give a valiant effort to gather especially most extreme verifiable information for the ADA coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume and kind of scarcely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from commonly your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts, especially Cardano Value Forecast 2023. The cost of Cardano really is anticipated to reach at least worth of 45 cents in 2023. The Cardano cost could in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of 51 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 46 cents all through 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. Cardano cost basically is estimate to arrive at least especially conceivable degree of 66 cents in 2024, or so they basically thought. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme conceivable degree of 79 cents with the typical figure cost of 68 cents, which is genuinely huge. ADA value figure for 2025 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of Cardano is supposed to sort of reach at an exceptionally least value worth of 94 cents in an unpretentious manner. The ADA cost can basically arrive at an in every way that really matters. Greatest value worth of $1.13 with the essentially normal worth of 98 cents, which is very critical. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. The cost of Cardano generally is in a real sense anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.40 in 2026. The Cardano cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.66 with the by and large normal cost of $1.43 all through 2026 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Expectation 2027 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2027, the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $2.03. The ADA cost can especially arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.36 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.08. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Cardano cost most certainly is gauged to arrive at a sort of the least conceivable degree of $2.95 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could sort of arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $3.49 with the typical gauge cost of $3.06 in a huge manner. In an unobtrusive manner, Cardano Value Expectation 2029 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA. In 2029, the cost of Cardano basically is determined to be at around a base worth of $4.29. The Cardano value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $5.12 with the really normal exchanging worth of $4.44 in USD. In a significant manner, Cardano Value Figure 2030 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA. In 2030, the cost of Cardano essentially is in every way that really matters, anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $6.29, which is very critical. The ADA cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $7.53 with the typical exchanging cost of $6.52 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Forecast 2031. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to basically reach at a very least worth of $9.21 in 2031. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $10.80 with the typical exchanging cost of $9.47 all through 2031. Cardano Value Expectation 2032. The cost of one Cardano in a real sense is supposed to generally reach at least degree of $13.01 in 2032. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $15.87 with the typical cost of $13.49 all through 2032. How kind of much will Cardano be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Cardano will have a base cost of $2.36 and an all things considered, most extreme cost of $2.03 per ADA. Since Cardano is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth changes radically. What will be the ADA most noteworthy estimate cost for 2023? The ADA cost is supposed to essentially arrive at a most extreme degree of 51 cents toward the finish of 2023. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 32 cents with the market cap of $11,193,818,829. Is Cardano a wise venture? Cardano's esteem is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Just for the most part, put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the greatest examination conceivable. What is the fate of Cardano? The eventual fate of Cardano in a real sense is exceptionally subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. At the point when it for the most part comes to putting resources into ADA, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. In any case, still a magnificent venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a for the most part strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, ADA likewise for the most part offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. How all things considered,